It's a little bit about the well-hidden control. I'm going to show you this one. This is 5 on the orienteering, but what I want to point out to you is like, okay, so you're with your team and you've got the control in the southeast corner of a pond. And you get down here and you're at the southeast corner of the pond and you don't see anything. So what do you do at this stage? Well, one of the mistakes that teams make is, okay, that looks like it could be hidden up in there. So say the navigator goes that way and the team follows. Well, what you want to do is this whole corner is the southeast corner. You want to send some of your racers that way and say, you're not going more than 20 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, really. This way, send one of your team members this way, at least one, because what's going to happen is they're going to come up around the corner and they're going to discover control's just simply hidden up in a bush. And a lot of times that is the case. You'll find that the control is really close, but also really well hidden. And you'll spend tons of time searching the general area, but basically repeating over the same things that you've done over and over again. Really what you need to do is you need to get that team split up. You don't have to go searching 300 yards away. Usually the locations are relatively obvious. You just simply got to get tight group looking in the close vicinity and you're gonna pick it up. Okay, unless you're totally off on your navigation. But good navigators are gonna be pretty much on the spot on many of these things. Another hint, another help.